Hey my friends, this is Stephanie Rittermott with Courageous Living. A while back I heard a phrase that says, be the change you wish to see in the world. That's what they call a ripple effect. Do you want to make a change? Do you want to make a difference in this community around you or the world or even in your own family? If you think about the things that have impacted you over the years, it's been a ripple effect from something else or from some other person. So you might be thinking, well, what is the ripple effect? Well, it's very similar to what you've heard in the butterfly effect, the compound effect, or the domino effect, right? When something happens here, it has an impact as it keeps on making its way through. The dominoes that start here, they start to fall, and it has a chain reaction. My friend, I want to encourage you that everything that you're doing today, yesterday, and in the future is making a difference. You might not think it's making a difference. You might not think you're having any impact. Let me tell you, you are making a difference. Just as I give my money to missions, I can't travel around the world anymore, at least not right now, but I give to missions so they can take that ripple effect of my money and use it to reach their city or their community or build buildings or churches for the kingdom of God. So that ripple effect is going all around the world just by my $1. Just by the money that I'm giving is having a ripple effect. And I want to share some things with you to help you manifest that ripple effect in your life. Because I believe you reap what you sow. So not only is that ripple effect going out and touching others, it's also going to come back and touch you. And one of the things is having a clear mindset. Who and what do you want to impact? What kind of impact do you want to make out into the world and in your community and in your life? Having a mindset of what that is will help you stay on target, help you to stay on track with that. You see, if you're having a mindset of what the mission is, of where you want to go and who you want to impact, you will stay on course and you will have a ripple effect. The other thing is forgiveness. My friend, if we can have the ripple effect of forgiveness, our world and our community can change. See, when we give that forgiveness out, it doesn't make the wrong right. It doesn't mean that we have to be, friends with the person who did harm to us or even have a relationship with them. Forgiveness is allowing you to be free and allow peace into your life so that you can move forward. The other thing about the ripple effect is don't give up. Whatever that ripple effect that you're going to have on others around you and on you, don't give up in the process. Don't stop halfway in the journey. There's going to be hard times for all of us, but we are still making a difference. Even in those hard times, we can make a difference because others are going to see how you've come through them and they're going to get strength from that. Another thing to remember when you want to manifest the ripple effect is the power of your words. Oh, my friend, think about the mentors, the teachers, or the parents that have spoken into your life. Maybe they've spoken words of encouragement, maybe some words of instructions, maybe some words of guidance. And what happens? Years later, you remember, you still have that voice saying, don't give up, keep moving forward. You remember what they said. That's a ripple effect. Even though they are not in the picture at that moment, that ripple effect of the words they spoke to you are now impacting you months, years later. The last two things I want to share with you are to create a spark and make connections. Creating a spark to manifest the ripple effect, that's really encouraging someone else, telling them that you believe in them to keep moving forward, helping them to accomplish their dreams and their goals, helping them to get back up when they feel defeated. And that creates a spark within them. That's a ripple effect. And making connections. Our smile can make a difference in someone's life. Saying thank you to the person that's holding the door for you, or helping someone load groceries into the car. You see, these are all ripple effects, acts of kindness that go forward. And you know what? I believe that when we do that, that encourages and sparks in someone else to do the same. And that keeps on moving. That ripple effect keeps on going. That kindness keeps moving forward. So I want to close with this quote from Mother Teresa, and she says this: I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. You see, one action, one word has a rippling effect. We never know who we're going to impact. We never know whose life we can turn around just by our actions, by our kindness. I want to encourage you, my friend, as you live this courageous life. Keep that mindset of who do you want to impact and how you want to make an impact. And you will create a ripple effect